Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to switch back to a personal account on Instagram. So let's just say you are using the business or professional account and you want to switch back to your personal account here in Instagram and you forgot or you don't know what to do. So as you can see here, if I refresh this, I am now showing you that this application or this account is currently using the professional or the business account. So I'm going to show you how to switch back to personal account. But you have to make sure first that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. So in order to switch from professional or business to your personal account, you just have to click these three lines at the top right corner, and then here you have to scroll down and you will see this option, accounts and tools, or business tools and controls rather. Tap this one below schedule content. And then under business, you have to scroll down here and you will see the switch account type. All you have to do is to click that one and then choose the first one here, switch to personal account. Once you tap this, they will ask you again and they'll give you more information and instruction. And what you're going to do here is to click switch to personal account. Once you tap this, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and as it is processing, and you will see that there will be a notification that you have switched to personal account. So what you're going to do here is you just have to go and click your profile, and as you refresh, you will see that you're currently using your personal account here in Instagram. So that's how you switch from a business or professional account to a personal account on Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you want us to create a new tutorial or new topic, just please do comment down below. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you again in our next video tutorials.